Hi guys! Today we are gonna make a candy packet for our friend, right?
Yes.
We're going tomorrow morning. So we gotta make a paper. So one is enough.
Yeah,
So like
one. So we're going to make the small, the small
for
candy
example
area.
like this. For example like this.
Yeah.
Something like this because she made it like this. Okay. So I got my kid scale here. Let's use this. So I'll be using in this section. I got this kind of section, right? Hope you can see it. Okay, so I'll be using this purple. No, no. I think yeah, pink is better. Pink is like this kind of pink. So I'm gonna do that. I hope it will come. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. They're good. Okay, like. Okay, so this takes time. So I'm gonna cut the section. Okay. Guys, that's too hard to cut. Okay, like this. Oh, like this look doesn't look. Wait. This looks like straight. So let's just do straight. Okay, so I'm gonna do like this. Let's draw a straight line. Give it a bit of pretty. Something should be there instead of something. Okay. Now I have drawn a straight line in another section. Let's cut it. Okay, so my mom is also helping. Like she's telling us to creating a something. She good at making things. So she gives us she's giving ideas like how to do like this, like that. It could do more pretty like that. Like she tells. So when she actually says, when we think, yeah, it looks cool. Then it comes. Looks. I think we should do that. Okay, so okay, finish with this try. There we go. Okay, so I'm just making the size of this paper. When the I'm using a small chart, okay. So when it come, I will stick it to it like this. So see if it sticks. Is it the right size or not the right size? Okay, let's just do it for now. So this is okay. I can do like this, okay, and stick it to that. Oh yeah, 1 minute. Let me ask my mom. So my mom said no. Okay. So it's not stick it. I'll show you mine, okay? Okay, so first we get a full size of black chart and cut it here. Okay, like just to make sure. So we're gonna cut it around. Done. I'll show you. This is it. So we cut it like this. Okay, but make sure you don't cut it here. Now it looks like a packet. Now we will glue here and at the bottom. Now we will stick here, but until we do a design. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, now 1 minute. Oh, okay, guys. So we'll stick as 1 minute. Okay, guys. So I got this stripe this 1 minute. Okay, guys. So now 1 minute. Okay, so I got this one over here, this stripe. I'm gonna stick to this black. Oh, black and pink looks great here. So I will cut it here. I'll show you how it doesn't look good. So this is it. Okay, so now I gotta cut it. Okay, this is the right size. Now I'm gonna stick it here. Alright. Okay. I'll stick it. Let me get the glue. Glue, 1 minute. Okay, guys. So I forgot on the video. So I got the glue over here. I will stick it. So don't cut it. Okay, so I'm sticking it. If it's ruined, it's ruined. Okay. So this is it. Looks good. Now let's get another color. That will be this blue. I love this blue so much. So where's my scale? Yeah. 1 minute. Okay guys, so now I am gonna make finish making. Okay, I have stick the packet in. I stick it here, stick it at the bottom, but I did not stick it here. So because I gotta put my gift packets. So first, let's make a gift packet. Now this is how it came out. So like I'll show you how to make it. So first, let's get a piece of a square, like it can be any shape. There you go. Here I'll put one small knot here, and we stick it here. We'll give a triangle, 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 and I will stick here the triangle, 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 triangle. So now I got this paper. Now I need to shape it. So let's okay. So here, so let's make it into a shape. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be making like this. Okay. So we'll stick at the middle like this, and like this, and stick it over here at the bottom. Okay, so I'll show you how to make it. So we got a piece of a square paper or a rectangle. Now we will put it like this, okay? You can use double side tap or anything, glue to be glue. And then we'll stick it like this. Then we'll stick at the bottom, and here we'll put the message done. Okay, so let's glue it up. So what's the glue? Okay, so now let's do gluing here. Okay, so glue here and glue here. Glue here. Oops. Okay, so I stick this one at the middle. So there you go. Then let's see. Where did I? Okay. Okay, so this is how. Then it could be any way. Okay, so there you go. We sticked it. Oh. There's no glue here. Let me glue it. So I hope this is really easy. Okay, there goes really easy. Okay, there you go. Now I got two sides whole. Okay, now we'll stick this section. Oh. Okay, it's real weird. That's it. We do it the right. Okay, so it's really hard to glue it up in outside. There we go. Oops. Stick it really well. Okay. Keep it here. Yeah. Okay, now next one, let's see. So I made light green. I made a purple. I made a pink. Now I gotta do a color. Let's do a yellow color. Okay, so I'll show you once more how to take it. So now this. So you see this paper? We'll cut it like here. We'll make it really smaller because it will be more better with smaller. Okay, let's do the same thing. Hang on a sec, guys. Okay, so now I made green, purple, pink, yellow. Now let's do blue. Oh. Okay. So I got the blue. Now where's the scissors? Okay, let's cut it out. Now we write a message. So when they open the package, I'll be so happy for them. Okay, so it'll be hard for me, like the way I didn't do it, okay? Like do like that, taking the hand and do like that. It'll be hard. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first do it on the side. Oh yeah, sorry. Section. Then we'll do it. So we did it in both sections. Now we'll do like this. Okay, like this. Now you Okay, now stick it here. There we go. Done. I'm just gonna short that out. Okay. There we go. So we got like green, purple, pink, yellow, and blue. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll be using one more color. That will be which color? Okay, guys. So I got another piece of green. Now let's do the same way that we did. Whoa. Phew. That was close. Okay, so let's stick it. Okay. Just like 2 greens and 1 small pink is the biggest one. Wait, where's the scissor? Okay. Let's cut this one out. Okay. Looks like this section needed more. Okay. There we go. So we got 20. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what? Oh, okay. 6. So we got 2 red and 1 pink, 1 yellow, 1 purple, 1 blue. Okay, so let's hop them in that other section. Let's get it up this. And write something. So I'll write and come back to this. Okay, so done my. So this is my blind bag. There's a cover. Oh, it's not open. Now gonna open. So this inside this there's candy. Oh wait. Then last but not least, I'll use wonder. Okay guys, so I got these paper tabs. Okay. So I'll be sticking this here. So I'm using this one. Okay, so. Okay. Okay.
So I'm gonna show you how to.
I'm gonna get
First,
a page.
like a normal paper, white paper. I'm gonna take it in color. Okay, and then put it
Okay.
inside of a corner.
I'm gonna use this scissor. Okay, don't stick it yet. So I'm gonna stick it. You can do it anyway. So this is it. Now I'll be using this strawberry little ones, the fruities. So the first one I used this one. So this is the designs. Now second I'm gonna use these fruits. I love them so much. Ooh, these are the bracelets. Okay, this packaging stick is really wobbly.
I think this one's gonna be like this, a little bit, but no, we can add something else.
Okay. This is not sticked properly. Just need more glue.
And the main part is that you need to keep it straight. If you don't, it would be not correct and
There we go.
cannot.
Okay, now which was it? So let me get the glue out.
Careful with the cutting part because that's the part.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use this. So I need to find the edge. Where is the edge? Okay, find it. Is that the edge? Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just going to stick it and
Let me get
the
scissor. Okay, got it. Okay guys, so we're gonna pinch up this fruits. Okay, now let's stick it on this bracelet. Okay, done. So these are the 2 designs that I did. Okay, now let's do for
Okay, guys, so
what?
the paper and now
Okay, for this now we're gonna use
just fold
this
it
one.
from the little end. Okay.
scissor.
Okay, and then just stick it there. Okay. So first you need a little one.
Okay, got it.
But I'm not going to add it on the corner.
Okay, so this is it.
So that
This one is really bad.
is over.
Okay, now I'm gonna use this tiger waist. So I call this tigress.
Okay, done. Okay, that's it. I think of.
Okay, ooh, it's what I
Okay,
guess.
now we just press it onto one side. Okay. Okay, and then just stick the glue. If you want, you can stick it in the first before you are folding it,
Okay,
or just stick the glue like this.
now I'm using this glue.
Just
For this one,
apply
I'm
it
gonna go with this again.
like this. Okay.
That's not what I really used it.
Stick it.
Oh, where is it?
Some piece to put in ours.
A little paint is good enough.
So I think it's there's space, and then if you add something, then it goes
There we
there.
go.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna use this blue.
It's not that big. See? Yes. Now let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have to. Oh, we know I need stickers. It's a little thick, so we need a little. I don't need this stick. Just try. Okay, do your shape. Give it back a bit.
Okay, this is it.
Okay.
So now this one over here, this one's here, this one's right here,
Now
this
I'm
one's
going
right
to.
here. So this
For
is
the
it.
first one, I'm gonna add.
Okay, so this is it. Now where's my blind bag? Okay, this is my blind bag. Now let's put this one. Let's put this one. Let's put this one. Let's put these. Let's put this.
No.
This is not closed.
That's a jumbo, but
Okay, so this is it. Okay. Now
now
let's stick it. Okay, so one minute. Okay guys, I put 2 candy bars. That's it. Done. I closed it. So here is my blind bag. Okay, this is the back. I staplered it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 staplered. Okay, this is the heart. Heart throwing because it's Bridget Day. Then I put the sticker. Huh? And so many. There's 2 choco bars. Then some gifts. So now this is the end of our video. So I hope you all liked it. Share and subscribe and like. Bye.